plus 4x is power 2. What is an algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that consists of letters called variables and numbers called constants combined with arithmetic operations like adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. It may involve variables raised to different powers and can have terms, i.e. numbers and variables with different degrees. Now the expression the algebraic expression you are seeing right there, we have 2x plus 3 minus x plus 2 5x minus 1. So here we have a combination of terms with constants separated by arithmetic operation like addition, subtraction, and so and we have constants. You understand? So the second one too, so that's just the basic thing about um combination of variables, constants, and arithmetic, such as addition, multiplication, and division. And sometimes an algebraic expression can be raised to the power of variable, like we have 2 raised power 2b here, and we have 4ab raised power 2. So sometimes an algebraic expression can be raised to power. And sometimes it might be as simple as 2x plus 3, or as complex as x power 2 plus 3x minus 2 into bracket divided by x minus 1. And keep in mind that algebraic expression does not include an equal sign. You understand? So in the next lesson we go through, you will get to know some important elements of an algebraic expression. So I will explain what this means and what this is when we get there. Now that you have known basic, you can differentiate an algebraic expression. And so now let's actually go through the some elements of an algebraic expression. Now here is an algebraic expression here, which is the simplest one. So here we have terms. You understand? So 2x is a term in an algebraic expression. In this algebraic expression here, we have two terms. And a term is a combination of a coefficient and one or more variables optionally raised to a specific power. A term can also include constants, which are numbers that do not change. So in this term we have a coefficient, which is the 2 here is the coefficient, and coefficients are numbers that appear beside or in front of a variable. So this term now, 2 is the coefficient and x is the variable, which symbol is a symbol usually represented by a letter that represents an unknown or changing value. So here now we have 2 as the coefficient and x as the variable. The last thing we have here is the constant, which is the 2 here, the plus 2 here we have. So a constant is a fixed, sometimes even called constant term. You understand? And there is a fixed numerical value that does not change. You understand? Though 3 is here and it does not change, though this variable x here can change, so you can't add these two numbers together. Don't worry, we'll get to it later on, but just so in this example here we have 3. You know, 3 is the coefficient of x raised power 2. So 2 here is the power. You understand? And then we have x here to be the variable. You understand? And also we have another term here, which is 5xy. So the 5 is the coefficient, so x is the variable and y is also a variable. So that is it. Variable where we have 2 here as the power. You understand? So we have 4 here as the coefficient, and we have a here as a variable and b here as a variable raised to power 2, which is a power. So 2 here is a power. So now let's talk about like terms and unlike terms. Now like terms are an algebraic expression in an algebraic expression that has the same variables. You understand? They are terms that have the same variables even if they have different coefficients. Like, you know, we have 2x here, and we have x here, minus x here, and we have 5x here. They are the same terms. They are the same terms. You understand? And we have plus 3 and minus one with their the same terms, they are like terms, you understand. Why? Because they are constant term. So let's quickly talk about unlike terms here. So when the variables of a term are not the same, they are unlike term. Like here now we have 3x and 2y here, they are unlike term, or they are unlike term. And we have minus x and minus 4y, they are unlike term. Now if 2a raised power 2b and 4ab raised power 2 are unlike terms because their variable are not the same, they did not have the same variable here, you understand. Now what of 2a raised power 2 and 4a raised power 3? Are they like term? What's the next lesson? As you might already know by now, we have some terms that have exponents, you understand. Now how do you know if those terms are like terms? You understand. The first thing is that exponent like terms must have the same variables and the same component. Like this one now, we have x raised power 2. It has the same we have the same variable here, which is x, yes, and we have the same exponent here. The coefficient doesn't matter, you understand. Just check the variable and check the constant the exponent. If it's the same, then they are like terms. Like minus 2y raised power 3 and 7 3 raised power 3 y raised power 3 and 4xy raised power 2 and minus 6s y raised power 2, they are like term. But speaking of the exponents on like terms, there's three things you need to keep in mind here. The first thing is that when the same variables but different exponents, like here now they have the same variable here but they have different exponent, they are not on like term, you understand. They have different variable but they have and the same exponent here, you understand. Like term, they are unlike term, you understand. Don't worry about the exponent, the coefficient for now. Just think about the variable and the exponent. And the last one here is that they have different variable, you understand, and they have different coefficient exponents here. That means they are not like, they are unlike term, you understand. They are unlike term. Simplify this expression by combining like term 3x plus 5y minus 2x plus 4y. You have to find the like term, which is, you can see there. So this will be 3x minus 2x plus 5y minus 4y. So this 3x is actually 1x, and 1x is will give us x, you understand. The coefficient is 1 and you don't need to write it there. So 5y minus 4y will give us 1y, which is plus 1y, which we also write 1 like this. So the answer is x plus y. So in order to simplify 2x plus 3 minus x plus 5x minus 1, find the like terms as usual. And then what next is to just do your basic combination, combining the like term. So we have plus 5x minus x plus 3 minus 1. So this will be 7x, and 7x minus x, we have it there, plus, so 7x minus x will be 6x, and 3 minus 1 will be plus 2. That's the answer. So in order to simplify 4x minus 2 plus x plus 3x plus 5, as usual, find the common like term, you understand. Then just combine it and let's see what the answer. So plus x plus 5 minus 2. So 4 plus 7, 4 plus 3 plus 1, that will be 8x, you understand. So we have 8x here. 5 minus 2, we have 3, that is plus 3. That's the answer. Simplify the expression 2a raised power 2 minus 3ab plus 3 plus 4ab minus 5 raised power 2. The first thing you find the like term. If you check this now, we have 2a raised power 2 as a like term, which this one, and we have like a like term which is this. So we have 2a raised power 2 minus 5a raised power 2, and we have plus 4ab minus 3ab. So 2a minus 2a raised power 2 minus 5 raised power 2 will be, we just subtract this 2 minus 5. So 2 minus 5 is minus 3. You understand? So we have minus 3 a raised power 2, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So here we have just a ab, so that will be plus ab. That's the answer. So in order to simplify this equation here, this algebraic expression here, we have to find like terms, which is we have 3x here, we have 4x raised power 2. That's all. So we have 5xy, we have minus 3xy as like term, you have minus 2y is power 2, and this. So we have 3x is power 2, and then plus 4x is power 2, followed by plus 5xy minus 3xy, and then minus plus y 2 raised power 2, and then minus 2y power 2. So the next thing is to add this together. So this will be 7x raised power 2. We have 7x raised power 2, and this will be that is 2xy, so plus 2xy, and this coefficient of this one is 1. So if you subtract it with 2, that will be minus y raised power 2. So we have minus y raised power 2. So this is the answer. So in the next video, you will learn how to simplify more questions on algebraic expression and all algebraic expression formulas, which is somehow known as basic algebra rule. And make sure you subscribe for more videos like this.